friends, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here or if you're coming over from the playlist, welcome. I'm Holly and I'm very happy to have you here for another Foodie Friday collaboration video. And if you've been with me for a while, then you know that these Foodie Fridays are the first Friday of every month, and we get to share any types of recipes that we like and that we hope that you will enjoy as well. I will leave the playlist down below of all my YouTube friends that are making some delicious recipes for this. Also, it is being hosted by Tiffany at Small Town 6, and she has great content on her channel. If you like recipes, grocery hauls, things like that, please go check her channel out. She has tons of content. I think you will enjoy as much as I do. And on my channel, I usually do lots of cooking videos, baking, grocery hauls, unboxings, what I cooked for dinner type videos, and I'm also trying to do some day in the life type videos as well. So if you like that type of content, please click that subscribe button down below. I would absolutely love to have you here and become a part of my YouTube family. It is a great community that I have here, and I hope that you would become a part of it. Now I'm going to show you what it is I made for this collaboration. Very simple and easy recipe, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. And for this Foodie Friday, I'm making a very easy and quick roasted garlic Alfredo sauce. You can make this from scratch, or you can use the Prego roasted garlic in the jar, and that's the large one. Also, some minced onion. I'm using some garlic powder, this McCormick roasted garlic and herb seasoning, some pepper. It calls for about 1.5 pounds of chicken breast cubed up. That's about 3 chicken breasts that I used. And also some sun-dried tomatoes. Those are the julienne sliced ones. Also about 1 cup of baby spinach. I'm using a little bit more because it just shrinks down to nothing. And some carbonara roasted garlic fettuccine. You can use any type of pasta you want. You can use fettuccine, angel hair pasta, spaghetti, whatever you want to use. Even bow tie pasta if you want. But the first thing I did was season my chicken. No matter what I'm cooking, I always season my chicken. And I felt like this roasted garlic and herb seasoning would go well with that roasted garlic Alfredo sauce. So just season up your chicken with whatever you want. Some pepper. You can add salt if you want. I usually leave the salt out. The sauce, I think, usually has a good bit. Some garlic powder, and I use garlic powder in pretty much everything that I cook. And you're just going to toss that around, and I'm going to season it again on the other side, in a sense. I want to make sure that all of those pieces are seasoned well. I can't stand to eat something that the chicken is just not seasoned well. It gives a bland taste to everything else. So it's good to layer your flavors as you're cooking. So, that's my suggestion, is to always to season whatever meat, protein that you are going to have in your dish, because I find that helps to complement whatever sauce or anything that you're going to put in this. Add the minced onions, and I just sprinkle it on. I don't really add a certain amount, so just add as much or as little as you like of the dried minced onions. Now add the Alfredo sauce, and you can use any brand, and like I said before, you can make it from scratch if you want. Add the spinach, and I'm adding, like I said, the recipe called for 1 cup. I'm adding a little bit over that, but spinach kind of shrinks down to nothing, so add as much as you want to it as your little heart desires, because like I said, it does shrink to nothing. So more to me is better. And then I'm just going to mix this up and try to get that spinach to wilt a little bit. And then add in the sun-dried tomatoes. And that's about 1/2 cup. If you want to add more, you can. And if you don't like sun-dried tomatoes, you can leave it out, but I do find that it does give flavor to dishes, so I do enjoy putting that in certain recipes. And that's basically it. You just need to let the spinach wilt, and you want to just heat up those sun-dried tomatoes, let that kind of soak in a little bit. If you want, you can add the pasta to the sauce, or just put the sauce on top of the pasta once you're done. And that is it. Really a delicious and quick meal. I think the whole family would enjoy. And please don't forget to check the playlist down below and Tiffany's channel. Those links will be there in the description box. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in seeing more like it, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell. That will notify you when I post new videos. Hope everyone has a blessed day. God bless y'all.